Hello, hello! Ayan, mag-share lang ako ng live. Magandang gabi. Sa tamang page ba ako? Ayan, tama. Akala ko sa maling page ako nagla-live. Teka lang guys ha, ano lang, okay? Share lang ako ng live very quick. Ayan, bago tayo mag-start, pa-share naman ng live. Para isang pasadahan tayo. Ayan, pag-usapan natin tong statement ni PBBM tungkol dun sa impeachment. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, sa mga first honor dyan. Paniniwalaan pa ba natin si BBM sa sinabi niya? Ang aga ng live. Hindi, mabilis lang kasi to, Mima. Ayan, mabilis lang to. Pag-usapan lang natin ng very quick yung yung statement ni PBBM. Ito yung si PBBM was in Hawaii, part ng kanyang US visit. And so in a press conference held in Hawaii, natanong siya tungkol dito sa impeachment. So ito yung ito yung buong sagot dun sa question tungkol dun sa impeachment. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ba?
Lahat naman kami merong ganyan eh. So I don't think it's particularly unusual. I don't think it's particularly worrisome. There will always be an element that will want to change the results of an election.
Ayan, naririnig niyo, no? Okay, naririnig.
So, of course, pinapantayan namin ng mabuti because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her to... She does not deserve to be impeached. So, we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. The declarations of impeachment, parang lahat naman ng presidente ini-impeach. Ngayon, vice president pa. So I guess it's just a continuing evolution of that thinking. Basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Wala naman siguro at wala naman sigurong dahilan kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached.
So sir, wala pong unity crackdown na tinatawag?
Na?
Crack.
I don't think so. Mas tumitibay nga eh. Dumadami yung pumupunta sa lakas, dumadami yung pupunta sa PFP. We are consolidating the unit team. It's actually become bigger and stronger than it was before.
Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung video, ha? Pero pakinggan niyo muna ngayon.
So, ayan, wishful thinking. These are the same people that talk about impeachment. They are also the same people that, wala na, nagpaklas-paklas na yung unit team. Hindi, totoo yun. Tignan na lang ninyo mga political developments in the past few months.
Sir, how's your relationship with her?
With?
How's your relationship?
Excellent. We, on a professional level, I have nothing but good things to say about the work that she has done in the Department of Education. On a very personal level, we get along very well because you cannot campaign for how many months was that? We were campaigning together without getting to know each other very well, and it turns out that we are very different in many ways, and we're very similar in many ways. But that makes for a good friendship.
Thank you, sir.
All right? Okay.
Okay, ayan. So yun yung hihimayin natin na statement ni PBBM tungkol doon sa impeachment ni Inday Sara. Okay. So first part kasi ng statement niya, when he was asked, kung ano yung masasabi niya tungkol dun sa impeachment rumor ni Inday Sara. So sabi niya, binabantayan daw nila. Sabi ni PBBM, kasi parang it is expected, it is something that would happen to anyone, ganyan-ganyan. And this time, nangyari ito sa Vice President. Yun yung sabi ni PBBM. Mr. President, totoo po, tama po kayo doon, yung sa sinasabi nyo na, yung sa sinasabi ninyo na, every term, nagkakaroon ng declaration na may mga tao talaga na syempre pag ayaw dun sa presidente or sa official, ganyan. Gusto ipa-impeach ng mga taong ayaw, okay? But you have to remember, yung ganun pong klaseng istorya, nangyayari po yun sa presidente, okay? Sa presidente po yun nangyayari. Nung si VP Sara po ay gustong ipa-impeach noong panahon ni PRRD was very, very quick in saying na it doesn't make sense. No, tigilan nyo yan. 'Di ba? I don't want her impeached. Very clear yung mabilis na nagsalita, mabilis na tumugon, lumabas pa lang yung issue, nagsalita na agad si PRRD. And, VP Sara is a very, VP Lenny then was really, 'di ba? She was a pain in the ass. Pero, VP Lenny nung mga time na yon, nag-react agad si PRRD. Mabilis yung pag-react niya. So, pa yung sinasabi ninyo na hindi po kasi parehas tayo ng situation ngayon eh. Yung po sinasabi ninyo na pag mayroong leader before at gustong i-impeach, ganyan-ganyan, yun eh, it is actually directed to the president. Yung presidente po yung gustong i-impeach. Ngayon po, sino po yung gustong i-impeach? Si Inday. 'Di ba? Si Inday yung gustong i-impeach ngayon. So, hindi nyo po, I find that part of PBBM statement very, very dismissive to the peculiarity of the situation now. Okay? So, napaka-dismissive niya. Hindi, nangyayari naman kasi yan. Ganyan-ganyan. Sir, magkaiba po yung panahon ngayon at yung panahon before. And in fact, isa pang difference po nung panahon before at nung panahon ngayon, people voted for a team. Okay? Ikaw as a presidente, VP Sara as a vice president. Nung panahon po ni PRRD na gustong ipa-impeach si Lenny, hindi naman part ng team si Lenny eh. 'Di ba? So ngayon, at be that as it may, nung panahon na yon, nung nagkaroon ng impeachment rumor kay Lenny, nagsalita agad si PRRD. Mabilis yung kanyang response about it. And your statement came a bit, it's 1 week late. Come on. 'Di ba? Ang dami na pong nagsalita, ang dami na pong mga pangyayari before ka nagsalita ngayon, okay? So that was the first part of the statement of PBBM. So ang sabi niya, and this is when it becomes really, really, parang nakaka-eye roll na yung, it becomes really tricky from this point moving forward. Sabi niya, binabantayan namin ng mabuti. Because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her she does not deserve to be impeached. So we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. Okay. So yung una sabi niya, binabantayan namin. Okay. Sir, sino po yung kasama niyong bumabantay? Si Martin Romualdez. It's very clear it's Martin Romualdez because every time PBBM would open his mouth in this press conference, Martin Romualdez was on his left side. Si Cheloy, pagkatapos si Martin Romualdez. Every time he opens his mouth, Martin Romualdez went, ganyan. Talaga, nod galore talaga si Martin Romualdez doon. So, ano po ba, Mr. President? Very clear naman kung sino yung ikaw at si Martin. Diba? Ikaw at si Martin. Ganyan. So sabi niya, binabantayan namin ng mabuti. Because we do not want her to be impeached. We do not want her she doesn't deserve to be impeached. So we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. Ano po yung laman ng statement ninyo? Yung statement nyo po, ni-reveal ninyo na this impeachment, you revealed first and foremost that when you say binabantayan namin, meron kang kasama. So meaning, you're formulating your stand about this in coordination with someone else. And in this case, it's Martin Romualdez. Kasama mo siya, katabi mo siya, tas tango siya ng tango dyan eh. So kayong dalawa po bang nagde-decide dito? Binabantayan namin ng mabuti. Okay, so sino yung mga kasama mo nagbabantay? Si Martin. Ay, oo siya ng oo eh. 'Di ba? Okay? And then yung kabuuan po ng statement ni PBBM is very non-committal. 'Di ba? Ang kinukumit lang ni PBBM doon is babantayan niya. Okay? Napaka non-committal. Walang action. He didn't even say na, of course, I will not allow it to happen. Diba? There is no basis for the impeachment to be filed. Diba? So ngayon, when you say that you are closely monitoring it, but you do not have any stand about that impeachment per se, like you did not talk about if it is something that will merit a ground, diba? Like, well, I do not know where the rumors is coming from. Ano yung magiging ground nila to kung i-impeach nila in the first place? Diba? But what you did in your statement is that you just confirmed that there is impeachment talks, you downplay it, pagkatapos, meron kang non-committal action. Okay? So actually, you're not really defending Inday here. 'Di ba? Wala ka namang kinumit, Mr. President eh. Binabantayan na, we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to. O, nagpay ka ng attention, ay pipigilan mo ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba sinabi pipigilan mo? 'Di ba? Yung sinasabing pipigilan mo, okay? So, very non-committal yung sagot niya. Very non-committal, very dismissive. Pagkatapos, kinonfirm nyo sa amin, Mr. President, that when you make a decision, you don't make decisions alone, on your own. Okay? It looks like a decision is made by you and someone else. Diba? Klarong-klaro eh. Klarong-klaro. So sabi niya, so I guess a continuing evolution of that thinking na basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Well, meron naman sigurong dahilan, kung hindi lang sigurong dahilan, kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached. Sabi niya. But this is yung parang a general statement, yung part ng pag-dismiss niya dun sa impeachment issue na it is a natural occurrence, yun yung sinasabi niya. So isang banda tama naman po kayo doon. But I think what is missing here is you fail to acknowledge the peculiarity of this situation. Kasi Mr. President, you were voted as a team. 'Di ba? So when your teammate is being threatened to be ousted by the government, you're going to lose part of your team. And the message that we are getting here is that you do not really care that much if your teammate is going to be kicked out. Yun po yung klaro dito, 'di ba? Yun yung klaro dito. May sinabi pa si PBBM dun sa video na, ang sabi niya, tinanong kasi siya, meron pa bang unity team? Ayan. Then it becomes, lip service na. From that point, moving forward, naging lip service na siya. Kasi sabi nung tinanong ni si PBBM ng reporter, meron pa po bang unity team? Yes, meron pang unity team. It is stronger than ever. Kineme, ganyan. How can that be a very strong unity? Di ba nga po, may mga requests si Inday na hindi in-accommodate? Di ba nga po, Inday is being being sued before the Supreme Court because of the confidential fund? Siguro po yung unit team nyo sa iba, lumalakas. Pero yung unit team nyo kay Inday, it's weakening. Diba? Yung unit team nyo po, dun sa mga dating kalaban, lumalakas. Pero yung unit team nyo po, yung unity ninyo with the person who put you in that position, it's really weakening by the day. Diba? Nag-ano po talaga, humihina po talaga. So ngayon, it's actually very frustrating kasi tinanong rin si PBBM, how's your relationship with Inday Sara? Okay. Inday Sara, during the Senate deliberation of the OVP budget, sinabi ni Inday Sara na there is a political rough patch with the Duterte and Marcos family, except with Senator Amy Marcos. Sinabi to ni Inday. Okay? Now, here you are telling us that everything is fine, everything is okay. Mr. President, hindi po kasiraan or kabawasan ng leadership ninyo to admit that there is a issue between you and Inday Sara politically. Kasi kahit si Inday sinabi naman niya, paghiwalayin natin yung personal at saka yung political, ha? Sabing gano'n ni VP Inday. Paghiwalayin natin yung personal at yung political. Yung medyo rough at this moment is the political kung merong rough patch at this moment, that is on the political side. Okay? And this is very, very apparent, 'di ba? Kasi hindi niya sinuportahan yung mga request ni Inday. 'Di ba? And now Inday is being attacked. You are not really speaking up in terms of at least speaking about those attacks that Inday Sara is receiving na involve yung office ninyo. Hindi naman po kayo nagsasalita doon. 'Di ba? Hindi mo kayo nagsasalita doon. So ngayon, sinabi nyo, excellent yung relationship ninyo. Pagkatapos, ginaslight nyo pa kami na hindi, you cannot campaign with someone, spend several nights, pagkatapos parang hindi kayo magiging okay. Sir, tapos na po yung kampanyahan. Okay? Ito nga yung lagi ko ring sinasabi. Kasi, parang jam magno kayo mag-explain 'di ba? Medyo hindi po katalinuhan yung ganong explanation Sir, kami bilang normal na citizen, we do not care about your personal relationships, okay? I'm pretty sure friends po kayo with a lot of people who we do not know. I am not here to judge your personal relationship with Inday Sara. I think, baka talagang magbarkada kayo, mag-friends kayo or whatsoever. And that is not my concern. Okay? My concern as a citizen is ano yung mga binababa niyong polisiya sa taong kagaya ko bilang mga politiko at bilang mga leaders. Yun lang po yung pakialam namin. Okay? So that is why meron po akong pakialam doon sa sinasabi nyo na may unity politically because you're not supporting the causes of Inday Sara. And the causes of Inday Sara are the causes that I support. Diba? Yun po yung mga sinuportahan ko causes Yung mga anti-insurgency programs, yung pag-zero out ng recruitment sa mga learners. Yan po yung mga causes na gusto namin and you did not support this. Hindi ka nagsalita nga tungkol doon sa confidential fund na hinihingi ni Inday Sara. You're not even supporting it. I mean, you're not, okay, it's okay. If Inday Sara is not gonna get from the, may support for Inday Sara for this one, I'm very willing to lend a helping hand. Ganyan. Ang laki ng confidential fund niya But you didn't say that ever. So, Mr. President, huwag niyo po kaming bullshitin. Nasasabihin niyo that the unity team is stronger than ever. Iklaro niyo yun. Hindi, yung unity team na sinasabi ninyo is unity team with everyone else except Inday Sara. Yun ang lumalakas. Yun ang lumalakas. Okay? So, huwag niyo po kami binubullshit na, lumalakas ang unity team. Well, it is a unity team of everyone except with Inday Sara. Diba? Ganun lang po kasimple. Kaso, nililip service nyo kami, binubullshit nyo kami, hindi, lumalakas ang unity, we're consolidating, dumadami ang miyembro ng PFP, Partido Federal, at saka ng lakas, ganyan-ganyan. Talaga ba, Mr. President? Ganyan. Okay. So ngayon, tinanong, inad pa ni PBBM dito, yung mga nagsasabi naman ng wala ng unity team, this is the same person, yung nagpapakalat daw ng impeachment is the same person are the same people na nagsasabi na wala ng unity team. Okay, yun yung sinasabi ni President. Mr. President, ang nagpakalat po ng impeachment, okay? Ang nagsimula po ng impeachment base sa kwento ni Franz Castro ay mga political leaders, okay? Hindi sinabi ni Franz Castro na impeachment is not gonna come from them, but it's going to come from the political leaders in House of Representatives. So, mali po kayo doon. Kasi, ang sinasabi, ang chismax dito ni Franz Castro is, ang sinasabi niya dito is, mga political leaders sa House of Representatives, Partido Federal, at saka basically, Partido Federal at lakas. Kasi, in-identify mo rin naman na sa, sa statement mo eh. Sabi dito ni Franz Castro, sila ay nag-uusap-usap tungkol sa impeachment. So, how naive are you to say na yung mga nagsasabi na wala ng unity team ang siya ring nagpapakalat ng impeachment? 'Di ba? Ikaw na rin po ang nagsabi, minomonitor ninyo, that indeed there is an impeachment talks within the House of Representatives. Kinonfirm yun na yan eh. And Inday Sara also said that she talked to you and asked about it. Okay? Actually, yung sagot ni Inday Sara, very non-committal din eh. Kasi sabi ni Inday, I believe I still have the trust of the President. Because before he left, I asked him about the impeachment rumors against me. And he told me the truth. And he knows about the impeachment. Ayan. Ako kasi feeling ko, si Inday hindi talaga mag-head-on collision dito sa, sa administration na to eh. Because she is simply not Leni Robredo. And she has a mandate. So she's definitely not going to do a head-on collision against the administration. For now. Pero yung sinabi ni Inday, I believe I still have the trust of the President. Paniniwala yun ni Inday Sabi niya, paniniwala lang niya yun. I asked him about the impeachment rumors against me and he told me the truth that he knows about the impeachment. So, alam ni PBBM. And the best thing that he can do is to monitor it. Ayun. Diba? That's the best thing that the President can do. Babantayan namin yung galaw. Diba? Napaka-contradicting eh. Sinasabi nyo, binabantayan nyo, minomonitor nyo, pero at the same time, sinasabi nyo that the unity is getting stronger than ever. Okay? In fact, Mr. President, you are already in the position to say, I'll do everything that I can in order for this not to proceed. Diba? How can you say in the same breath... Hindi ko talaga gets! Ano ba? How can you say in the same breath na lumalakas ang unity team, it is stronger than ever, and at the same time, the best thing that you can offer to us is to monitor if may impeachment. Pero sabi ni Inday, kinonfirm niya, yes. He knows about the impeachment. And this is just one of many reasons kung bakit a lot of people look at you as a weak president. And it's really, really very disappointing. Ayun. So, gusto niyo makita yung tumatango-tango si... Sige, bago ako mag-end live, gusto niyo makita yung tumatango-tango si Martin Romualdez. Teka. Teka lang ah. Ayan. Tumatango-tango si Martin. Ayan. Teka lang ah. Ayan. Lakihan natin.
Kung dahilan, kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin.
Ayan si Martin.
That's not the reason to be impeached.
So, sir, wala pong unity in crackdown na tinatawag.
Na?
Crack.
I don't think so. Mas tumitibay nga eh. Dumadami yung pumupunta sa lakas, dumadami yung pumupunta sa PFP. We are consolidating the unit team. It's actually become bigger and stronger than it was before. So, ayan, wishful thinking. These are the same people that talk about impeachment. They are also the same people that, wala na, nagpaklas-paklas na yung unit team. Hindi totoo yun. Tignan na lang ninyo mga political developments in the past few months.
So, last, how's your relationship with her?
With?
How's your relationship?
Excellent. We on a professional level, I have nothing but good things to say about the work that she has done in the Department of Education. On a very personal level, we get along very well because you cannot campaign for how many months was that? We were campaigning together without getting to know each other very well, and it turns out that we are very different in many ways, and we're very similar in many ways. But that makes for a good friendship.
Di ba? Di ba? Parang no? Parang may mga coach sa no? Sabi ni Kuya Joe, parang meron siyang mga parang siyang may coach ng mga non-verbal cues. Mukha nitong bulus-lus, di mapagkakatiwalaan kahit kailan. Ayun, number 1, sinungaling. Tama si Mama Lens. True. Anyway, boy, tango na ngayon si Tambaluslos. Oo nga eh. So yun, yung kawi niya dito, yung kawi ni PBBM dito, is Martin. Yung makatango ka pa naman na talagang bonggang-bongga, hindi ka pa kasama sa we, di ba? Diyos me. The we. The we. Ayan. Paano ba naman nakikinig lang siya sa mga tambaluslos na kagaya niya? Ayun. Hosya, yun lamang po. And I'll see you next time. Sama-sama nating pakinggan ang mga bagay na hindi nila sinasabi sa atin. Ayan. Parang galing lang na pagalitan na bata. Paano naman nakikinig lang siya sa tambaluslos na kagaya niya? Oo nga eh. Ayun, see you next time. And let's, always process the information that we receive from mainstream media, social media, and from your rabid friends. Bye, everyone.